Me estoy clavando a tu hija, pendejo. Yikes. Hey now, I'm a rock star. Get your game on. Hey. Alright, we're at a pick pool right now. Yo, what is up, guys? We are back at it. K1 Speed is hosting Drift Night or something like that. And I'm about to go see what's up. So let's walk into this fine establishment and see what's gonna fuck up some tires. That's what we got going on. We got the little Arai helmet with the little chin mount. And I don't got gloves, but we got these motorcycle ones because I don't know. Why do I have my motorcycle gloves? That's some randoms. Yeah, Dave, Ken, Dave. Y'all got the booster seats or what?
Well, you like you're stacking up like this.
What the hell?
He said, I want a cushion. Nah, man.
Damn. I didn't get that. I'm just raw dogging it. Oh shit. I'm trying to hit these outside corners of these LGs. Dude, who the heck a left foot brake? What the heck? Oh shit. That was Did I break it already? My car's stuck. Oh, yes, I'm going to break. Wait, what the heck? Uh-oh, gotta get out of here. This is not it. This is not it. Oh, let's hit this. I gotta be smooth with it a little bit. What the? Come on, man. My bad. I'm literally the worst dude. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. I don't want to get hit, dude.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked.
Try it.
Oh shit. Oh, come on, man. This was fucking foul. Alright, round two. I think the homie gave me a little bit of advice as far as like it's just a little flick. And only one of the tires are slicks, so this isn't like this is almost like open defectivity. So go. I don't want to get hit. What the fuck? Oh man, they back at it with the bullshit. Bro, this is the second time they do this, bro. We get like 2 minutes and then we just sit here for a little bit. Go, buddy, go. There it goes. Fucking reverse that bitch. Get out, get out. Right here. Ooh, okay. Oh, let it go. Oh, let's go back. That was a good one. Alright, we asked for speed 4 because speed 5 doesn't exist. Alright, here we go. Yeah, victory lap.
I slowed my shit down right on the fucking last lap. Like, just before I fucking hit last lap, they're like,
Yeah. Let me see. Should I take the cushion?
Dude, that last lap, I just got in, like, just saw the fucking line, like the good line.
Oh, bro, he was actually letting us move, huh?
Yeah.
That was fucking fun. How was that for you?
It's getting there.
It was good enough.
Oh man, they tanked my fucking my cart, like just before the last lap.
That was fun, bro. Honestly, they never let us go that fast, but 2 scores was out. Shit. But y'all were like close to each other too.
I started catching up to him because something had to have happened to his car because I started catching him really easily.
Oh, okay.
It's right at the last thing.
I was like halfway for y'all, but like y'all were like, I would pass you and you guys were on the opposite end. I was like, what the hell?
Well, so yeah, like just before the last lap, they hit me with like the yellow flag speed. Like,
Yeah.
I don't know, or just tanked me.
You went too hammer for him, huh?
I mean, they probably did it to make sure that we all caught up and shit. It was like,
Well, let's see what those times are. Shit.
It was a lot of fun to go out there. I went all by myself because all my friends didn't want to go. And I mean, that's cool and all, but like if I didn't have gone, I wouldn't have met those like cool people. And I just feel like that's part of the journey, like just meeting random people, making friends, and you know, just enjoying the hobby together. So if you guys like the video, leave a like, subscribe, all the good stuff. Are you down to go for a drift night? Can you do better than me? I mean, it's not that hard, but I did not have that much fun drifting, but the grip lap was a lot of fun. And we weren't off by very much. We were within a second.